Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome not opening issue on iPhone. So if Google Chrome keeps crashing, gets stuck on black screen or won't open on your iPhone, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If the connection seems unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try opening Chrome again. Next, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. After that, completely close the Chrome app and reopen it. For that, you need to swipe from the bottom of your screen and remove the Chrome from the recent apps. Then open the app again and check if the issue is fixed. You should also check if Google Chrome needs an update. For that, you need to open App Store, search for Google Chrome and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Google Chrome app. For that, you need to press and hold the Google Chrome app icon, tap on Remove App and then delete the app. The last thing you can do is try restarting your iPhone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, you need to make sure your iPhone software is updated. For that, you need to go to Settings, tap on General and then tap on Software Update and then tap on Update Now if it appears. So those were some easy ways to fix Google Chrome not opening issue on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.